Hi, I'm Zahra Hamdani. I'm from Bethesda, Maryland, and I'm majoring in anthro with a minor of Wildlife Ecology and Conservation. My mom had brought me to SeaWorld actually, and then I just fell in love with the dolphin show and the orca show, which now I'm not the greatest fan of, but I think that's where my spark started. And I just remember telling myself when I was standing at the glass, I was thinking, that's what I want to do when I grow up. And that's, kind of where it started. But then as time goes on, it's kind of evolved. Here at UMass, there's wildlife ecology, so I had taken that class and I just fell in love with it. And I think that's probably the closest class, you could say, to what I'm very interested in. So first semester, I had taken the class with Lena Fletcher. It was NRC 100, and that was a great class. I would highly recommend that to other students. It's a class where the focus isn't really hours in the classroom and doing note-taking. It's more of going outside in nature and doing group projects, which I'm a huge fan of. I don't do very well with just notes upon notes. I like being with others and sharing ideas. It was so much fun because we did about 4 or 5 projects in that class, and then sometimes we'd share them. And when doing that, I would be exposed to other people's opinions and their viewpoints on certain topics, and I just thought it was so cool. So at UMass, I have found that the science department is huge. It's ginormous. And with all these amazing teachers and professors, there's so many opportunities when it comes to internships or just helping out on a lab or things. Dr. Figueroa and Lena Fletcher, they have provided so many opportunities of lab work and things. I think UMass does a really good job on that, and partially why I chose this school, so I'm happy. Volleyball. Volleyball is my, I think, second life, my double life, because I've been playing for a long time, and when I came to UMass, I was going to play for the club team, but then tragically got COVID the night before, so that was a real bummer. But thankfully, intramural was a thing, so I played first semester, and I'm on one right now. From the 2 classes that I had mentioned, Wildlife Conservation and NRC 100, I've been exposed to a lot of, I would say, group work and things like that, which I have realized I really like. So I think I'd want to do that for a couple of years after college and see where that takes me, but then use the knowledge that I had learned from doing that. I want to help make other people aware of what's happening in our planet and community and what we can do ourselves to change it for the better.